Welcome to 360 OpenGov Cases and Documents, the solution that helps public sector organizations manage and publish documents efficiently and transparently. In this short demo, you'll get a quick overview of how it works, from setting the rules to configuring the portal, and how it empowers your organization to lead in open governance. 360 OpenGov is more than a publishing tool. It's a centralized platform that simplifies and automates the publication of cases and documents across all of our main products. It ensures compliance with public access principles, enhances transparency, and builds public trust. With flexible publishing rules, real-time previews, and a user-friendly interface, it supports organizations at every stage of their transparency journey, from manual to fully automated publishing. Let's take a closer look at the public-facing side of 360 OpenGov, the portal your citizens will interact with. From the moment users land on the start page, they're welcomed by a clean, intuitive interface. The layout is fully customizable, from the logo and colors to the welcome message and footer links, allowing each organization to reflect its identity and values. At the heart of the portal is its search functionality. Users can instantly view recently published items, or quickly navigate via useful links. Use free text search to quickly find specific cases or documents. Users can dive deeper with advanced search, filtering by fields like case type, document category, or dates. Once results appear, users can explore the following directly in the result list. Cases, which show metadata about the case, including contacts and the documents. Documents, which include metadata and downloadable files, request access functions, and more. Users can navigate to the detail pages from search results to access a focused view of metadata and related elements. In this example, we begin at the case detail view, move to the associated document, and then return to the case. This demonstrates the intuitive navigation flow and the ease of accessing relevant information, regardless of the user's starting point. If a document or file is restricted, it's clearly indicated and the Request Access button appears automatically. This applies even to public documents if just one file is restricted. It helps customers stay compliant with freedom of access laws by making restrictions transparent and easy to act on. The request process is guided, includes email verification, and simplifies access management while meeting legal requirements. The About page provides helpful context, including FAQs, portal usage tips, and more, helping users understand what's available and how to interact with the portal. Every element of the portal is designed to be accessible, efficient, and aligned with your transparency goals, making it easier than ever to engage the public with confidence. Now let's look behind the scenes at how administrators can configure and manage the 360 OpenGov portal. The portal admin interface is designed to be intuitive and flexible, giving organizations full control over how their portal looks and functions. With just a few clicks, admins can customize the design, including colors, fonts, and default language to match their organization's branding. Configure the header and footer, uploading logos, editing menu options, and adding contact details or accessibility links. Tailor the start page, deciding whether to show search results by default, and customizing welcome messages or useful links. The Request Access page is also fully configurable. Admins can enable or disable the feature, customize the order form and email confirmations, and define how requests are received and processed internally. On the About page, admins can add FAQs, multilingual content, and helpful information to guide users. Admin roles are clearly separated. Design admins handle layout and content. The user admins manage access and permissions. Every logged-in user can manage their profile and password securely. This level of configurability ensures that each organization can create a portal that's not only compliant and functional, but also welcoming, informative, and aligned with their transparency goals. Let's continue exploring behind the scenes, the 360 admin interface, and its powerful publishing rules. This is where administrators define exactly what gets published, how it's presented, and when it becomes available to the public. Publishing rules are highly configurable and can be tailored for the element's cases, documents, files, and contacts. For each element, admins can set conditions based on metadata to control the publishing individually. This ensures that only the right information is published at the right time and in the right way. Administrators have the option to generally define a publishing delay or to pause publishing, publish from date or intervals, how long information should be published. For case, they can set general settings like not to publish a case before first document is published, options for how to present title if restricted, and what default screening text should be used for case titles. Publishing rules include archive series, case types, case statuses, access codes, journal units, and more. For document, they can set general settings similar to case, and publishing rules include document archives, document category, document status, access code, and more. For files, administrators can define if file publishing should be turned on, and if so, if presence of restricted files should be visible, and what default title these should have. Allow or disallow search in file content. Publishing rules include file variant, with option to set prioritized order and valid file formats. When it comes to the visibility of case and document contacts, whether internal or external, public or restricted, there are extensive configuration options to match your organization's needs. You can choose visibility levels ranging from Do Not Display to show name, organization, and role, depending on the scenario. It's also possible to define default screen text for contacts that are restricted, ensuring clarity while maintaining privacy. 360 OpenGov supports both manual and automated publishing, allowing organizations to start with more control and gradually move toward automation as confidence in quality grows, which could enable a positive feedback loop towards more transparency. Some examples. For documents, users can choose between fully automatic or manual publishing. If manual is selected, they can either publish all documents after review or selectively publish only those that meet specific criteria. This flexibility supports quality control while streamlining the publishing process. For files, it's possible to publish only selected ones. This is especially useful when you're unsure about full-text publishing but confident that certain files meet quality standards. File publishing will then apply only to those that match the defined criteria, giving you more control and flexibility over what is made public. The publishing dashboard is used when manual publishing is enabled. It gives reviewers a clear overview of what's ready for publishing and review. Key features include inline editing of titles and access codes, a built-in file viewer for quick verification, a public preview mode to see exactly how content will appear once published. And with direct publishing from the dashboard, the process is not only thorough, it's fast and efficient. This level of control and flexibility helps organizations reduce errors, improve quality assurance, and build trust in their publishing processes. As we finish up, it's important to remember, 360 OpenGov Cases and Documents is more than just a publishing tool. It's a transformational platform that empowers public sector organizations on their journey toward greater transparency, enabling smarter publishing, controlled access, and compliance with freedom of information principles. First, it enables a step-by-step journey toward full transparency. Whether you're just starting or already advanced, the platform adapts to your pace, supporting both manual and automated publishing. Second, it builds internal confidence in publishing processes. With clear rules, real-time previews, and centralized dashboards, they can trust the quality and accuracy of what's being shared. And third, it helps agencies become proactive leaders in open governance. By making information accessible, understandable, and timely, you strengthen public trust and engagement. With 360 OpenGov, you're not just meeting compliance, you're setting a new standard for openness and accountability. We're excited to see how you'll use this platform to drive meaningful change. Thank you for joining us.